guys, so today we're going to be taking a look at the 2022 Ford Ranger. This is the one I purchased a couple months ago, and again I have driven 2,000 miles on this vehicle, so this is kind of like a 2,000 mile review, but also it's not a review, it's pretty much more like a walk around, just to show you what updates and what upgrades that I have done on this vehicle since I purchased it. I know the last video I showed you was when I just purchased the vehicle, but now I've done quite a few things that I'm really proud of, because everything on this car I have installed by myself, and there's a lot of changes visually since I purchased the vehicle back in about 2-3 months ago. So yeah, let's enjoy this video. Again, this is the 2022 Ford Ranger. And the first thing I want to bring to your attention is this Ford grill, the Raptor grill. I did change the grill. I installed this grill. I actually got this aftermarket on eBay, on Amazon, and I really love how it came out. I wish I had a video of this for you when I did it, but I did not. I was so excited, and so I just went ahead and installed it by myself. As you can see, it looks absolutely gorgeous. And so the next thing that I want to show you guys is the hood scoops. I also installed the hood scoops. Now those are not functional, those are just aesthetics, but they'll make the car look more aggressive, I believe, rather make the truck look more aggressive. And then if we go back to the back here, I did a few things on here at the back. I did install first this Ranger decal. I removed the sport badge that came with the vehicle, and I installed this Ranger. I think it looks absolutely fantastic, and it just makes it look more aggressive. As also, if you notice this roller bar, I did install the roller bar myself. This is a OEM roller bar. I actually purchased this from Ford. It's really nice. I like the way it turns out. I installed it myself as well as this what's it called, the bed cover. This is the hot tub bed cover, and I loved it as well. I also installed that myself. The Ranger comes with an indented Ranger letters right in here, but I also purchased these letters and installed that. I think everything just makes it look fantastic. So while I wait for my Tesla, I will keep using this vehicle, and hopefully I can turn it around and make some extra money on it when I decide to sell it. And y'all know how the market is now, the car market is, so hopefully I won't be losing anything when I decide to flip this vehicle. But yeah, I absolutely love it. Again, that is the grill, the Raptor grill, and initially I'm gonna put a picture of it somewhere around here for you guys to see. Initially I installed the fender flares right here, but I didn't do that too well, so I removed it. I might eventually put another fender flare over there, but yeah, I did install fender flare on the vehicle, and I just didn't like the way it looked, and I also didn't think I installed it properly, so I'm gonna get another one and install right there. But yeah, overall it came out very well. I love the way the car came out. It's fantastic, and yeah, let's go ahead and get back inside.